What's up guys, Aiden here, back with another video. So today I want to build a small outfeed table for this miter saw, because oftentimes when I'm cutting large pieces of wood, it's hard to support the wood and it may fall off the table. So I got this scrap wood here from Lowe's, and so let's get building. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time.